on my page. Oh yeah, no, we're about to reveal it right now. Going to
Lesson? Okay, okay.
I'm holding it down, my metal is heavy. I'm giving him pressure like Ed and Eddie. I'm scheming on niggas, but never too petty. Your bitches a rocket, take off, it's unsteady. He wanted the pie, I told him come get it. Your girl is on top, now he wanna come hit it. I'm here for a night.
Hi y'all, welcome back to another video. I figured I'd just start this intro out real quick just because I know today's gonna be busy as hell and it's gonna be like a shit ton of running around. But right now I need to finish doing the rest of my hair. After I finish doing my hair, I'm about to head out to go and grab the car. But you guys, if you're already aware, then you know that today is Talk of the Town's Meet Boston's Top Chefs. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow at Talk of the Town 617, all right? Follow them, show support, show some love. But I'll get back to y'all when this hair is done. So today better go fucking A1. I'm not playing. It's already been a long day so far. So I feel like today's gonna go somewhat smooth. I hope y'all can hear me, but look at that pimple looking all extra juicy. God damn. So you guys, the kids have been picked up, all right? We got baby Cass, we got baby G. They've been picked up, and now we are picking up the tacos. Yay. About fucking time, because I'm fucking hungry. You're hungry? As hell.
Let me see what the trunk looks like.
Trunk's probably clear as hell, honestly. And then we out this beat.
First of all, I gotta get the other shirt because this is not right now.
He stained his white shirt, and I also stained my white shirt.
This is preposterous.
We had a coffee.
I had a sandwich.
He had a sandwich. We had a coffee.
Chips like that. I never encountered a sausage, egg, and cheese.
Yep. Talking too damn much.
Never encountered a sausage, egg, and cheese. Greasy sausage, egg, and cheese.
God, my head is. What the fuck is that sound? That's you beeping like that?
Yeah, I was getting out.
Oh my god, he sounded like a car.
Pop the trunk.
Is it working? I'm pressing the button. Is it working? It's not working. There we go. I'm about to zoom off. Excuse me. Child. Anyway, so there's a man trying to talk to us. How can we help you? Oh shit. Let me back out. Put it on the back seat on the floor right behind me. You can do that. Oh, I'm so I'm so sorry. I smacked the shit out of him with the bag. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. It's the chaos with chaos. No, literally. It's an accident though. Don't be mad at me.
She's like, if you don't get your ass over right the fuck now, I got you.
I really appreciate you, thank you.
Oh, you put that shit on everything?
Got a thing of hot sauce on that damn
Like
table.
Frank's hot.
I tried that shit on.
Put that shit on everything. Right here. Boom.
I probably OD, probably made a little bit more.
Yeah,
But
There's no problem with that.
you said you
Y'all ain't gotta tell me twice. Okay. Okay. We got the tacos. We moving on to the next, folks. Hold on.
Well, that's just one thing for y'all, you feel me? This is what Boston's cook brings, you feel me? Y'all don't even know.
We got, matter of fact, let the chef unveil. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
dessert first, actually.
The dessert first. I was just, high bugging out.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. What's next, big boss?
I was about to say, what the-
I was about to say empty. He tricked us.
Nah, man. I made some greens, so without greens, you gotta have
Oh,
cornbread.
that looked like some honey
Gotta
cornbread
have
right
the
there.
Put some honey cornbread.
I knew it. I knew it. I could tell by the glaze.
Yes, sir.
I could tell by the glaze.
Word. I already got the first one up and
We're gonna go
then
to the other table.
my favorite, one of my favorites that he pulled out of here.
This is one of my favorites. Y'all see that? Ciroc wings. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you smell the Ciroc?
Smell it?
I mean,
Oh, we getting lit tonight.
Y'all
definitely gonna be nice off of those right there. Yeah.
Why are you doing this like this?
And then the mac and cheese, y'all.
We about to get to the mac and cheese though. Mac and holy shit.
Got that mac in here. And I mean, no meal is complete without.
Hey, you can't go wrong with the.
You got the greens in there. Smoked turkey. You dig?
Yo, he done went all out. He a real one. He went all out. He went out. Okay.
I was waiting for the ladies to get situated, ladies first.
Every time you see me out, I'm on some fresh shit. Been through it all, man, I swear I don't stress shit. Devil playing games, man, this nigga getting reckless. Lost so many niggas, got me feeling like I'm next shit. If I said I love you, then I love you, and I meant it. Word is my bone, you get the message like I texted. I be on the grind till I'm living like the Jetsons. Catch me in the jungle tryna stack it all like Tetris. Since a youngin' I was robbing, I was reckless. I done see some shit that'll leave a nigga breathless. Always dreaming big, had a nigga feeling restless. Hooked up to them dudes with the diamonds in they necklace. Early in the morning serving niggas like it's breakfast. Get it higher level, bitch, we coming from the trenches. Back in 01, we was jumping over fences. Said I been on my Grizzlies since the Grizzlies moved to Memphis. Learn from my pops how to move and stay wise. Try to keep it cool, but I got a lot of pride. Smile up in my face, but hide the pain up in my eyes. I be venting to these beats, cause I hold a lot inside. Coming from a city, if you got it, they gon' slide. So if them niggas round me, then you know they down to ride. But if the shit get real, I keep a shooter on the side. But grandma praying for me, know it's keeping me alive. I did some things and I done seen a lot. I've been on strips and I done been on blocks. Watch for the kids and ducking for the cops. Either you locked or you getting dropped. This shit is real, this ain't nothing new. Watch the company. For the
3 days. We'll take these 2 tacos. Piece of cornbread. You see we gotta split this evenly. I get about 75%. You can take like 5%.
No, I want everything. A scoop.
Exactly, that's all y'all need. This is about to be me. I'm about to be in my room in heaven.
You about to have
Rock,
an itis for
paper,
like
listen.
a couple days.
Well, rock, paper, scissors it later.
No, because I suck at that game. I'm gonna lose.
And
Nope.
I'm gonna win because I'm good at it.
We can connect 4.
Fine.
I don't like the way you said fine. I might lose that too.
Word.
Like, why she said like she's
I
nice?
don't know, yeah.
She said like she's gonna win it.
In her head, she's like, I got you.
Nah, you got any more questions for OG, man?
I mean, I think the food speaks for itself. You know what I mean? You're very,
I ain't even tried
you're
yet.
very
Just off
nice,
the.
personality-wise, and everything like that. I think you got a lot going for you.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
I'm
nothing
sorry.
but up.
Being fat, but the inside of that the muffin right now looks very.
Is
dark.
it staring at you?
Yes,
Is
it's
it
dead. It's dead looking right at me, like
Oh.
inside. So, any more questions?
Nah.
Any questions?
No. The food spoke for it.
I think we covered pretty decent amount.
I think you covered all my questions, man. All I want to know is when you coming back, man. When you welcome to come back.
Part 2.
It'll be I'm pretty sure with this, everybody seeing this.
Right.
Pretty sure there'll be way more people showing
You're crazy
up.
not to book him.
Crazy not to book him.
Like,
Wait, do you do like birthday
events,
events?
all of that.
He does birthday events, y'all. Meaning everybody in
That's
August.
Okay.
Catering, private events, and private dinners.
Yeah, man, you
You're already
already
in the
here.
building. Like I said, allforkedupcatering.com. The website is up. Check it out. I do cooking classes also for kids. I've been doing some. I started the past 2 weeks at the Gallivan.
Okay.
So kids from 14 to like 15 right now. You know what I mean? So you're just trying to, let them know, man. This is a way. This is a tool that can help you get far in life because people will always need to eat. So there'll always be work. You know what I mean? In this field. So if you take it serious, it's on you how far you can go with it. But it's definitely money in it. If you want to. It's a good career.
Let them know your Instagram, where they can find you.
Instagram, Chef Main Topic on IG, and All Forked Up Catering on Instagram also. And again, shout out to my team, Spar Minds.
Spar Minds every Friday, man.
Friday.
Go check that out, man. Definitely. I appreciate you coming, man.
I appreciate y'all, man. Seriously.
I appreciate you for this episode.
It worked out. I mean, no disrespect to the other, but it worked out. I'm okay with it, how it played out.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
It worked out for you.
Like,
That's all
no
you.
knock. Shout out to, you know what I'm saying, Kimmy, and shout out to
Definitely. Shout out Kimmy's Kitchen. She couldn't make it, but she held it down. Definitely. So shout out Kimmy's Kitchen.
Absolutely.
Definitely. No, I want to close this out with a talk of the town shot. If that's okay. That's okay.
Okay. What's the
Talk of the town
What
shot.
we doing? What's the?
You know?
Hey.
It's something like.
Something like.
Oh, here.
One for the cameraman. One for the cameraman. Shot, yes sir. This is the talk of the town. Episode 3. Shout out Chef Main. Shout out Kimmy's Kitchen.
We got it on one end. Hey.
Time.
Hey.
Taking a picture. Alright, well, we're talking to the town.
Talk of the town, baby.
Shout out Chef Main. Shout out Kimmy's Kitchen. Episode 3.
Get it. It's a wrap.
We are out.
Okay, everyone, it is officially the end of the night. I just got back home not too long ago, and yeah, I figured I'd close out this vlog. If you guys haven't already, follow the 2 Instagrams that I have here down below, and show your support. Definitely like, comment, check out Chef Man's page. Let us know what you guys think. If you try this food, put in the comments what you think, because tonight his food was bussin'. The red velvet Oreo cookies, oh my god, bussin'. But yeah, you guys already know the usual. If you watch this video all the way through, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, real quick, I forgot to say, don't forget to follow my TikTok if you haven't already. It is, y'all, I promise you, it will be worth your while. So go follow me at TikTok at your worst nightmare 88888. You feel me? Check me out. But now I'm officially out. Bye.